I'll guide you through how to unlock a staggering $100 new month's discount on a secret Temu page while revealing the hottest trends that are selling out faster than anything else. Whether it's new cozy home items, the latest clever tech gadget, or even those quick wardrobe essentials you've been itching to lay your hands on, I've unlocked the secret to getting everything you need on Temu, plus how to claim your massive $100 coupon bundle. If it's selling, it's on this page. This is your fast track to saving big this brand new month, so if you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. The Temu Smart System keeps one page updated with only the top-rated, most viral items, the things everyone is actually buying and loving. This Hot Items Hub is your shortcut to snagging all the seasonal must-haves. You won't find better deals or higher-rated products in one place. It's the ultimate shopping hack for saving money this time of year. Now for the key. While you can get to that hot items page on your own, you will miss out on the biggest savings. Temu is giving away an exclusive high-value $100 coupon bundle that you unlock only by clicking a special link. That link is waiting for you. It takes you straight to the hot items page and automatically loads your coupon bundle for instant savings. Click the first link in the description and pin comment right now. Go claim your $100 and start shopping the must-have Temu deals before they sell out. Go click the link now to get your new month off to a fantastic start, and I'll see you in the next video.